Hi all, welcome to my channel. Today we will see how to install MySQL for Windows 10. Okay, so let's go to the MySQL website www.mysql.com. Then browse that. Yeah, click on downloads. Now come down. You will see MySQL Community GPL downloads. Click. Yep. Now click on MySQL installer for Windows. Then this option web community, that you have to click on download. Then no thanks, just start my download. Yep, the installer has been downloaded. Click on. Yes, now you have a developer default is by default. Click check. Now click on custom, then only you can customize your configuration. Click next. Then MySQL servers, SQL server, MySQL server. Here select the top one. Click. Then go to applications, MySQL workbench, MySQL workbench, select top one. Yep, come down. Now if you really want to install shell also, now you can select shell. I install shell also, but it's not necessary, it's not mandatory. Now if anybody want to install Python connector, you have to open MySQL connectors. You will get an option called connector ODBC and connector Python, right? Click on Python. Then here click on again. So this will be shown only if you have installed Python 64-bit. If you have already installed Python, then this option will be given. So you can select the top one. In my case, I have not installed, so I don't really need that, but I'm just giving a demo. If anybody really need this, they can use this for Python connector. Okay, so these three: MySQL server, workbench, and shell. Click next. Then execute. Yep, it's progress. It takes some time. Click on next. Then ready to install. Installing. Especially this MySQL shell takes more time to install. That's why I told you, if you really need this, only then you have to install MySQL shell. Otherwise you skip this MySQL shell and install only SQL server and MySQL workbench. Yeah, installation has been completed successfully. Click next. Then start MySQL, all good. Click finish. Yep. Okay, now yep, MySQL workbench window also opened, but to make a new connection we don't have any usage right now, right? So first what we have to do is we have to create usage. For that you have to go back to the installed folder again, this PC downloads, the same download installable, you have to click again. The window, it will show you reconfigure option. Only if you click that you can create the new user, or you can reset password for user. Okay, click that reconfigure. Then this one, it's good. Click next. Use strong password, depends on, this is root. By default you get a root username, a root account password. You can set the password. Please remember this password, we need it for future. Okay, this password you should be. And if you want to create a new user also, apart from this root user, if you want to create one more user, you can do it here. For example, add user, I give my name and host, all same only, local host, and dbadmin role, any role you can give, dbadmin role. Password you can set the same way. Now you get two users, right? One is root user and one is another user Shani. So please remember these passwords and usernames. Make a note. Click next. All good. Click next. Yep, execute. So here again initializing the database, starting the server, it takes some time. So bear with me. This configuration has been completed. Finish. Yep, close this window and reopen our MySQL workbench and then click on add connection, right? Now we created users, two users we created. Now new connection name, for example, Shani underscore new. Then host name same, port same, 3306 and username root and password. I told you to note, make a note somewhere, right? That password you have to give here. Click OK. Then click on test connection. Yes, successfully made the MySQL connection. Then OK. Then click OK. After this, to create a new database, I will show you. You can click here. You can see your workspace has been opened. Now to create a new database, one other option I will show you using command prompt. Go to MySQL folder, see MySQL program files, MySQL, then MySQL Server 8 bin. Then copy this folder URL, then come back to here and search run cmd command prompt, open command prompt, then cd double quotes, then double quotes, enter. So you are into that server. Then now you type MySQL -u or root -p. That means -u means user. Username is root and this is -p is password. Then enter. It will ask for the password of a root username. You have it, right? Then give it, enter. Yes, we have connected. Now just give a command show databases. Yes, by default these four databases are available. Now let me create a new database. Create database Shani underscore test. Okay, enter. Yep, semicolon. Yes. Now again show databases. You will be able to see new database, right? So other SQL operations, how to create a database, how to create table, how to create columns, how to do join operation, everything I have explained in another video. That link is given below, so you can refer that for more in-depth knowledge. So I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you like, click on like button, subscribe and press bell icon for new notifications, and share and comment. Please comment, so I will get your feedback, right? Okay, thank you all. We will see in next video.